So when I became a woman of God for real, and I said, you know what, I'm going to try God for real, I didn't want the old stuff. It seemed like my appetite for the worldly things like drinking, smoking, cussing, it just slowly went away. I was married, but I still wanted women of God. So I prayed, and the ladies that you see in this video are answered prayer.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited. I am here with my good friends. Like, you know how you supposed to have real Christian friends that's supposed to sharpen you? Like, they gonna tell me the truth. They, like, for real, some people that I have prayed for to come into my life, and God was like, boop, 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 got 3 of them. They finna keep it real with you, and they gonna make sure that you stay straight on the straight and narrow path. So these are my friends, y'all, and I'm telling you, we are the Millionaire Mindset group. I know sometimes we can't have everybody join us, but here we go. We starting off. We doing our Christmas thing, and guess what? It's gonna be lit. I'm excited. So y'all, come on, let's go. Hold up. Here y'all come. Let me show y'all where we going. Now you can't get the address, but hold on. Oh y'all, I'm going. I can't wait to see my friends. I don't know who's gonna be in there. No, I'm just playing. I know.
Happy holidays. Welcome, family.
Where the rest of the girls at?
They should be on the way, girl. We have a holiday party.
Girl, I can't wait. We've been having so much fun. Hold on. I'm waiting on them to get here, so y'all just listen. It's gonna be so much fun. Somebody else here. Hold up.
Happy holidays. Come on in. You're so pretty. Oh my God. Happy holidays. Come on in. Hey, good to see you. Love the sweater. Thank you. Yeah, you fine. I'm good.
Ooh. Okay, y'all. I'm finna see what we're gonna eat. I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna eat, okay? Just for real. Hold on. I wonder who prepared all this food. It's so pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna have to ask. I think. Ooh, they look good too.
I need to put some ice in the little ice in the punch. Sorry, y'all. I got this. I said I got it. Because what happened was the original college was in Georgia today, so that's what stopped me from. I was in the middle of doing it, and she called me. Did we find the location? We found the location, so we just got to decide on the place.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Water.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Cold water.
Who made all this beautiful food?
They were made by Inspired Creations.
Ooh, I got to get with them because they did an excellent job. Like, oh my gosh, look at this one. It is so beautiful.
What's been going on?
I'm gonna see what we gonna be drinking on. You know, we don't drink alcohol, first of all. Don't even come for us. We don't drink no alcohol, but this is pretty still, right?
Pineapple punch.
Pineapple punch. Oh, we gonna add this to it.
We got our pretty glasses with our cranberries and strawberries in it.
Girl, you a good host. That's why I got you as a friend.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. This is just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute.
We good to go. I swear y'all just don't know. I'm so happy to see y'all. Oh my God. What you doing?
That's my friends. Hi. Y'all so cute. Hello.
I drank out of it.
You did? Okay, we're gonna get something to drink. I gotta see how it tastes. Wow. This is delectable.
I know you came in there too, like, what's going on? Right.
Woo, that's hot. Jesus.
Okay, so right here we're getting ready to open. I guess we did Secret Santa for the friends that we have. But yeah, this is another beautiful thing.